President of Conference of Heads of Health Training Institutions, Margaret Mary Alukui, and Odi to Jachumo, Sabrano Ason, say, and Miawoodwa yet so Mbabaya Doctor for a nurse for Pomodia Juma Fono, a Breno Ason Sempen for Shamokin, Nania Mabet to me a bois, now one more buy Benya was on for son on Pennyphone and Yamao.
President of the Conference of Heads of Health Training Institutions, Margaret Mary Nadia to just say, was to say one more Efa Abe for Quine Son and Yama who do be sent near Beya. One more to me a day a share a Pomodini Eduma Fonte Timu, a woman more, would you pass say one more Enesa, a bit to me Abwa Ama. When you may dear will may money amount for frost one so dear to me a conkai.
If the government intends to upgrade category B senior high schools to category A schools, then health institutions must also be upgraded to accommodate the caliber of students who progress from SHS. Nana Chairman, Honorable Minister of Health, Representative, distinguished guests, permit me to highlight priority areas requiring urgent attention in our health institutions. HIs means high fidelity simulation skills laboratories to equip students with practical experiences before real clinical practice.
I want to Dean the School of Nursing and Midwifery, University of Ghana, Professor Florence Knapp, and so at the two school, I would want to say Pomodia Juma for a woman anymore say.
Because they say a minor assistant. There's a global change. Now, HSA was saying you be part of this world. It is a globally the assistant. I was saying that you're teaching Palano, our mobile nurses or midwives, and also assistant. Before this is an no principal, for instance, normally a friend of mannequins, normal, your bitch, and for fun, and do a what? If you will see, San Norma San, you bitch me, every attitude, and Sana or more for hospitals.